Hey everyone! Is your Windows PC running painfully slow? Don't worry, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll show you simple ways to speed up your computer instantly. Let's jump right in. Method 1. Close unnecessary background apps. Too many programs running in the background can slow down your PC. Here's how to fix it. Right-click on the taskbar and select Task Manager. Go to the Processes tab. Look for apps you don't need. Right-click them and click End Task. This will free up memory and CPU power. Method 2. Disable startup programs. Some programs start automatically when you turn on your PC, slowing it down. On this same interface, go to the Startup tab. Disable unnecessary programs by right-clicking and selecting Disable Now. Your PC will boot up much faster. Method 3. Clean up junk files and temporary data. Windows stores temporary files that take up space and slow things down. To clear them, press Win+R, type temp, and hit enter. Delete all the files in the folder. Repeat the process with %temp% and prefetch. This can free up storage and improve performance instantly. Method 4. Upgrade your RAM. If your PC is still slow, it might be time to upgrade your RAM. More RAM allows your computer to run smoother, especially for gaming and multitasking. Check your PC's specs and consider adding more RAM for the best performance boost. And that's it. By following these easy steps, your Windows PC should feel much faster and smoother. Let me know in the comments which method worked best for you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more awesome tech tips. See you in the next one.